Today I'm going to show you a quick emergency fix for a gas tank door release problem. Went into the station the other day, pulled up my gas tank release. You can see it just stayed up. Usually you would hear that click and that opens up the gas tank door. As you can see here, it's just staying up. I think we got a problem with the cable or something in that mechanism. So this turned out to be a problem because I was in a busy gas station. Price had gone down about 13 cents overnight, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna fill up. Place was packed, you know, people are yelling at me, hey buddy, you're gonna get gas, what's going on? But I couldn't open the door because the latch wasn't there. I basically had to pry it open with the key. After a while, got it open, but just by prying it open, right? So now that was good, I got gas, but now my problem was I couldn't shut the tank again, otherwise it's gonna be locked again. So what I did, luckily had some duct tape in the car, taped off the latch here so could close it up again and then be on my way. Just threw some duct tape on there to keep it closed. Unfortunately, I didn't have any black duct tape, so it didn't look so good, so I had to find another solution. So now I got the problem, this keeps flapping open because nothing's holding it shut. So I said, other than the duct tape on it, how am I going to fix this? And what I figured was some magnets. So went to the fridge, got some magnets. First I got these earth magnets, super strong. Kind of had one of these that looks like a washer. Had to take those down from the fridge, had to take a couple of the kids' photos down and some artwork, you know, but what are you going to do? We got to do a fix here, right? So had a few problems with these, which I'm going to show you in a second. So I tried the earth magnets here, like one here, I got another one up here, but problem with that is they're too small, so they wouldn't attach. Then I remembered kids had these toys with silver balls and magnets you could put together, and I thought this was going to be the perfect solution because it's got those strong magnets at both ends. Boom, all I got to do is that. Problem here was a bit too long, so I thought, hey, maybe what I'm going to do is just cut this down to the size I need. I know I asked Chat GTP about it. It said, like, don't hacksaw these magnets. They're going to catch fire, explode or something. I don't know. But anyways, went back to the fridge, took down some more pictures, and then found this one here. It's kind of like a washer. I thought that one might work out. Found this little piece here that fits into it. Tried that one here, put that up there, got another magnet up here, and that one still didn't quite work. It's a bit better, but can kind of get it to match up. Doesn't really hold though, so that wasn't really doing it either. Not strong enough. Have to come up with another solution. So what I decided is I'm going to make one of these, but make it the right size. So what I did was I kind of went through kind of your trusty can of nuts and bolts here, your tin, found a bolt, put you know, sized them up there, put a magnet on one end, a magnet on the other, taped them together, and I came up with this, and that's going to be our solution right there. So what I did now is I left this one on top, just why not, but I got the piece we made here, put it on. It's just the right size now because I found the right size bolt. Shut that on there. Closes beautifully now. Look at that. Holds, no problem. Pop it open. And gonna leave this toy piece in the car too because it's actually perfect little handle to open things up. So there you go. If you wanted to, you can make a little, you don't have one of these, you can make a little tape handle here too. So could use that to open it up, and there you go. That should last until I go get the tires changed, but I don't know, depending on how much it costs, I might just keep with the magnets. They seem to work.